we're making gilded ornaments for Christmas. All you need are a few little items. You're gonna have gilding adhesive. You're gonna have a bristled brush that's kind of stiff, a foam brush, 24 karat gold gilding leaf, and ornaments that you take the tops off of. Okay, now we're gonna take an ornament. Let's go. This is super easy. Shake up your gilding adhesive, and all you need to do, let's go like this. Oh, that works too. Take your gilding adhesive and pour it onto your sponge, and then what we're gonna do is dab it. And this doesn't take much thought really to it. I mean, you can make it the way you want. Just dab it in any kind of pattern. It does not need to be perfect. You do not want it to be opaque. You want to like create some gaps and some areas that will give a nice mottled golden look. You can make it look like frost. You can make it look like tree branches. You know, this is absolutely whatever design you want. And seriously, that's all the time it took. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna continue this with the rest of the ornaments, and what I'm gonna do, after you have set the ornament aside, it will be tacky, and that's what you want. So then all you gotta do is take your gold leaf and try to leave it on the paper. That makes it easiest to work with. All you gotta do is squish it and your gold will come off, and that's totally fine. It's absolutely fine. This is what you do. You just work it. Work it with your brush. Let the gold fall where it may. There is no perfect way to do this. Take some of the little baby shavings you might have. You can add those. All you're doing is adding gold leaf to the sticky adhesive, and you keep rubbing it and rubbing it and rubbing it with your brush until all the excess comes off. It's as simple as that. Feel free to smooth it with your fingers too afterwards. Get those little bubbles out. That's it. I mean, it can't get any simpler than that. Look at that. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.